This was an extension task for students to activate their prior knowledge about area, surface area, and volume. Students chose their partners to work collaboratively in investigating how many chocolates would fill up the cardboard box. Each group was given a different brand of chocolate and a different box. Students were provided these prompts to engage in a value-added discussion with their peers. Using mathematical vocabulary and answer articulation are integral while brainstorming ideas and developing their critical thinking skills. A checklist provides students with the success criteria of the task and helps them reflect and self-evaluate. These are the steps towards student agency. Before starting the chocolate cardboard box activity, students had to revise concepts from the previous lesson. I like to gamify maths as it excites students to level up and they are truly invested in their learning. This was the first step. They had to show their work and move on to the volume extension task with their partners. Here you can see students working collaboratively using the key concept questions of form, function, and connection in reference to volume of 3D shapes. Students who successfully completed level 1 moved on to the volume extension inquiry task. Those who found level 1 challenging were provided with additional support to consolidate their learning. It is important to challenge those who are ready and support those who need it. I always encourage students to self-evaluate using a checklist and also reflect using a quick exit ticket after the completion of a task. It helps them as learners to figure out where they stand in their learning journey and me as a facilitator of their learning to provide feedback in order to feed forward.